In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and start using the Sankho Kun Notion dashboard. To begin, open the Sankho Kun Notion setup or template in Notion. This is your starting point, and it gives you a ready-made structure so you do not have to build everything from scratch. Once it opens, take a moment to let the layout load fully and get comfortable with what you are seeing on the screen. The goal here is not to change anything right away, but simply to understand the setup before you begin customizing it. Next, review the main dashboard layout. Look at how the homepage is organized and notice the overall structure. Most Notion dashboards are designed to bring important information into one central place, so this main view is where you will likely return often. Pay attention to how the different areas are arranged and how easy it is to move from one section to another. This quick review helps you understand how the system is meant to work. After that, check the sections for tasks, notes, goals, or planning. These sections are usually the core of a productivity dashboard, and each one serves a different purpose. The tasks area helps you track what needs to get done. Notes can be used to capture ideas or important information. Goals give you a place to focus on bigger priorities, and planning sections help you map out your days, weeks, or longer-term schedules. As you explore, think about which parts you will use the most. Once you understand the structure, start customizing it by renaming pages and sections based on your needs. This is an important step because a dashboard works best when it reflects your own workflow. Use clear names that make sense to you so the system feels personal and practical. Keeping your labels simple and consistent will also make the dashboard easier to use over time. Then begin adding your own data, including tasks, notes, and schedules. This is where the template starts becoming your workspace instead of just a sample layout. Add real information that matches your current priorities. It is often helpful to start with only the essentials so the setup stays clean and manageable. From there, use the dashboard regularly to stay organized. A Notion setup is most effective when it becomes part of your routine. Try opening it daily to check tasks, review notes, and stay aware of your plans. Consistent use is what turns a good dashboard into a reliable system. Finally, review the setup over time and update it as your workflow changes. Your needs may shift, and your dashboard should be flexible enough to change with them. Small adjustments can keep the system useful, simple, and aligned with the way you actually work.